Delicious heirloom tomatoes. I just got these at the farmer's market this morning, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious caprese salad, elevated restaurant style. Start by making our balsamic reduction. In a stainless steel sauce pot, pour some balsamic vinegar and simmer until it's reduced by about half, or until it coats the back of a spoon. To make our pesto, we're going to have to start by toasting some pine nuts. I like to toast mine in a stainless steel pan over medium-low heat until fragrant and golden brown. In your food processor, add basil, fresh garlic, and your toasted pine nuts. Pulse it a little bit, add some grated Parmesan cheese, and drizzle in some olive oil. Finish with some salt and pepper. Scoop it out, and then we're going to top it with some more olive oil. To marinate the mozzarella, we're going to mince some garlic, along with some fresh basil, thyme, and oregano. Add some olive oil, a little bit of chili flake, sea salt, and black pepper. Slice up your mozzarella and let them bathe in the marinade. For this dish, I like to use Chinese eggplant. Slice it lengthwise, thin with a razor-sharp knife. Prepare a marinade of olive oil, balsamic vinegar, sea salt and black pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. Toss in the eggplant and get your grill hot. It's time to assemble your caprese salad. We're going to go with the red tomato slice first, followed by a slice of eggplant, marinated mozzarella, some yellow tomato slices next for color, then a spread of pesto. Repeat this process a couple of times. A sprinkle of sea salt, a drizzle of basil oil, and a drizzle of the balsamic reduction. The tiny top leaves of your favorite basil plants out on your porch for garnish. Voila! Visually stunning and delicious.